Hello my coders, Foxycodedojo back. Today we're going to be having a quick look at some other types of variables. So pull yourself a new Python shell and let's get started. So I got my new shell here. We already know some variables. We got our string, we've got our number, we've got our floats. Lovely. Before we see some new types of variables, here's a cool little trick. If you want to have multiple lines of something, of string, you put 3 quotation marks, and then 1, 2, 3. That way you could say, hello, and down here, world, print A, and let's call this extra variables. Hey, hello world, we got that in 2 separate parts. Now let's just change this back to our normal string. So the next variable type you'll be learning about is the list. Let's have this one as x now. X equals, x equals 2 square brackets. Let's do that first. And now let's print x. Save this. There we are. We got 2 square brackets, nothing in it. Now let's have A, B, C. And now let's see this. Now we got string 10, 2.0. If you change this, you could see 1, 2, 3. Perfect. See, that's how it works. But let's say I just want 2. I'll put 2 more square brackets after x, and then I should just put 2 because it's the second item, right? We got 3, which is expected because computers actually count starting from 0. So 0, 1. So 2 would be 1. And there we go. We got 2. And now, the other variable type, which you've all been waiting for, the dictionary. No, not that book which you use at school. A dictionary looks like this. In here, you can define many other variables too. Unlike here, if you wanted to put x equals 1, we'd get invalid syntax. So over here, you'll probably say, A equals pi. Try to run it, and nope, invalid syntax. The reason why, you gotta use colons while inside a dictionary. And look again, we got 2. Silly me, you gotta print it out. Now let's actually do this. We got string pi. You might be wondering, why is it string then pi? Shouldn't it be A then pi? Well, no. The actual name for it, you would say, would be like number. So you're using a string to define another one. Now you get number pi. And now if you want to see, let's ignore this one sec. Then let's say we also add, we're also going to add in text, which would be 3.14159. And then we'll also have one last. Let's call this one bomb explodes. And it's a boom, of course. And then let's say we just want to see just text. We should put in 1, right? Wrong. Here. What we're actually looking for is text itself. So put in text, and there we go. We got 3.14159. Yeah. Now, ignore all these. Before we wrap up today, here's a quick little thing which can be very useful later in Python. If you want to set x equal to, if you're doing interest, you might want to do like balance times 10 and then divide by interest. You might want to do something like that, but you would do balance times 10 first and then only divide by interest. Here's where you should have been paying attention in math class. Just add 2 parentheses, just like in PEMDAS, which you should have learned. And the 2 parentheses, it'll put 10 divided by interest first and then only multiply, even though you pretty much are not supposed to multiply in interest. Anyway, that's it for Foxycodedojo today. I'll see you again soon with another new episode.